Greetings, traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on Indicators at the top of the chart. Search for TopstepX. Click on the indicator name that you wish to add to your chart. Click on the star to add it to your favorites. This will bring it to the top of the list. The TopstepX Sessions Indicator is a useful tool that provides multiple ways to highlight the individual futures sessions for easier identification. To customize, mouse over the indicator name and click on the settings icon. Under the input section, you can choose to show the background shading, show the labels that indicate the start of each session, and choose to plot the high and the low of each session individually. You can also adjust the start and end time of each session, since some instruments have different trading times. Note that the times are listed in Central Time and are based on a 24-hour clock. Under the Style section, there are many options to choose to customize to your liking. Change the background color of each session individually. Choose to display each session label, change the color of the label, change the label type, and change the label location. Choose to display the session high and low, the line color, the line style, and the line type for each session individually.